Today, some of the UDP leaders and together with the headmen of some of the localities of Laban, Malki, Lamukra, Cliff Colony, we went for an on-site inspection at the Barik PWD premises at Barik. This is regarding the news report and the decision that the government planned to construct a shopping mall at this location. So from our side, we oppose the move of the government to construct a shopping mall at this location, because we thought that considering the congestion that we are experiencing here in Shillong, we thought that a better option would be to go for the iconic structure which was designed. The architecture design was done by one firm, and by Ivan Schnein, and they had come out with a better proposal by taking into consideration all the aspects. For example, congestion, the greenery, the aesthetics, and so on and so forth. So by taking all these aspects into consideration, we feel that having an iconic structure at the site, at the location, would be a better option than having a shopping mall. See, a shopping mall you can construct anywhere. And we had given a suggestion, maybe for a shopping mall, the government can consider constructing a shopping mall in the commercial area at Police Bazaar, where we have the MTC building, because once the ISBT becomes functional at Maoyong, so that area can be cleared and we can use that for construction of a shopping mall, because it's already a commercial area. But as far as construction of a shopping mall at this site, this Barik, PWD, I think it will not be a good idea, because we already have so many institutions in and around that area, and we also have the civil hospital near that area. So it will, it will not help as far as easing the congestion in this particular area and also in the city of Shillong as a whole. Another thing that we need to consider is that, see, we need to, whenever there's an opportunity and if there is space, I think we should go for beautifying the city of Shillong in a much better way. We have important landmarks in Shillong. We have the polo grounds, we have the golf links, we have the Lady Hydro Park, we have the Woods Lake, we have the cathedral. I mean, these are very important sites, and so we feel that if we can have an iconic structure which will be multi-purpose, which will benefit the people of the city and of the state as a whole, we thought that it would be a better option to go for this iconic structure instead of going for a shopping mall. So that is our contention, and we had this on-the-spot inspection today together with some of these headmen, and after that we had another meeting with the headmen, and all of them are of the view that we should not go for the construction of a shopping mall. We should go for the construction of the iconic structure which was proposed and designed by Alban Maukro and together with a firm. I think that we feel is a much better option, because it will address all the issues, all the concerns of the different groups and the different stakeholders who have been raising their concerns from time to time as far as this project is concerned. So, yeah, that's about it.